Tutu. I don't think you're ready for this.
Poison.
Poison Ivy Glam.
Why not? I want to try this Danessa
Why
Myrick's
not?
Color Fix base.
She
This
says.
is a shadow base, so I'm going to pop a little bit of that on.
Started. Let's get it started in there.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kishi Spirit here. Going to do an I tried following video. I'll be doing Jackie Aina's review on Jaclyn Hill's palette that came out over the summer. I have mixed feelings about that palette. I love the palette. The colors are great. It's great, but I have mixed feelings about the person that made the palette. She's a wonderful artist. I will not be a hater on that. She is great at what she does, but there are some things that she did that I just don't agree with. So it kind of, I didn't really want to do the video, but it is a really good palette, and I love this look that Jackie did, and it's the only palette that I have where I can get that look. So if you want to see how that look turns out, then keep watching, and I will see you later. Bye.
I prime my eyes with a little bit of concealer, and then I am going to use the shadow base because why not? I want to try this Danessa Myrick's Color Fix base. This is a shadow base, so I'm going to pop a little bit of that onto my lids.
Okay, so I don't have a shadow base that she's using, but I do have my Benefit Stay Matte. Actually, that's not what it says. It says Stay Don't Stray eyeshadow primer. Okay, I'm going to be using It's My Ray Ray brush from BH Cosmetics. Using this to blend that in.
So today's look is going to be Poison Ivy Glam.
So I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. Bam! So this is the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette. I'll be using that along with Jackie as she goes through. So let's see what's next.
So anyway, we're going to take this color here and my NYX blending brush, one of my favorite blending brushes for the crease.
I done forgot what color she took. Lord. And I don't have the brush that she said, but I am going to use my Morphe E28 brush. This is my favorite blending brush for the crease. So here we go. Blending, blending. Yes. I really hope I'm in frame while I'm doing all this, because if not, I'm still putting the video up. I always have fallout. That's why I got this powder on my eyes, and hopefully it don't stain, so to speak. Ooh, I forget how pigmented this is. Okay, I'm going to take another brush by Ray Ray. It's the number 7 brush. I'll be using this to do my next color, which is going to be Enchanted. She calls it Jade Green, but it's this color right here. Let me take in this. We're going to make kind of a, I hope I'm pointing to it. We're going to make kind of a halo eye. Oh, she says it. She'll tell you. She'll tell you.
And I'm going to be blending that on the, like, inside, outside. We're going to do the halo thing. Or do I want to do the, yeah, I want to do the halo. I want to do the halo. One thing I noticed is when you switch your brush in there, there's not a ton of kickback.
That is one hell of a green. Wow.
This green is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this green. I'm going to take this Morphe 576 brush. I mean, it looks a little bit like the one that she's using. It's the Morphe M576 brush, and I'm just going to blend that green in just like she's doing, like so. Bring it into the middle. I don't feel like that's enough. I don't see, she didn't add nothing. Did y'all see her add anything to that brush? Or is it just my lighting? This is not. Girl, Jackie Aina. Add some more. That is not blending the way yours is blending. Oh. Let's see what she's.
Yes, I will keep saying that all throughout this review because people just don't. I don't know. It's just weird to me. Like,
she's switching
let
brushes.
people have their own voices, and I've had my own voice for 7 years, and I don't know. It's kind of a pet peeve of mine when I give a review and people were like, "You're not really saying the truth," and I'm just like, "Don't you think I know how to?" Like, I'm grown, boo boo.
I'm grown, boo boo.
Actually, I turned 30 in August. Like, I'm capable of speaking for myself. Thank you. I don't need you to like read between the lines or anything, you know. Yeah, so far this is blending out really nicely. This eye's more blended out though, so let me just get this one even. Now let's go to a shimmer color.
Shimmer color. Shimmy, a shimmer color. Get it? Shimmer. Makes you wanna shimmy. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this green. It is like so bomb. Like totally, for sure. Okay, it's time for some shimmer. Who's ready for some shimmer? I am. So she took this color right here. It is called Diva. Because that's what we're gonna look like, boo. Oh man, I forgot I gotta make my it's alright. We gonna make it happen. It's called Diva. This color right here.
Here's where the real tea is at. This color right here, right next to the emerald jade.
I'm gonna
Just
apply
gave
dry.
us
I'm
a
gonna
new
give
color.
it a fair
It's
shot
called
on
Enchanted.
phone.
She
And then
calls
if it's
it
not
emerald
doing
jade.
what I want it to do, I'm gonna wet the
And she didn't wet her brush, so I'm not wetting my brush. And she just oh. I mean, it looks so good on her camera. So I just didn't expect it to look so good on me. Girl! Jacqueline, if you can hear me, you did this. You did this, honey. Yes, you did. This is so pretty. It's just darker on me, you know? I just, oh.
For the look that you saw on Instagram, I took a rosy pink blush. So I'm gonna take a drop of a hat Super Shock Cheek Shadow from ColourPop.
I'm gonna do some blush because she did blush. But I'm not using, I don't have the Super Shock peachy blush that she has. I have Fun with Friends by ColourPop. It's the Hello Kitty. I don't know. I love blush. I know some people say, don't go ham on the blush, but I'm not people. I do what I want. Dang it. I do what I want to do. I'm going to take a little bit of, my best friend, La Peach by Artist Couture, the Jackie Aina collaboration. And I'm going to pop that on my cheeks. No, wait. Just wait. No, wait. Y'all ain't ready. Let me spray my face first with my Fix Plus. I got the MAC, tiny little portable size. Feels so good. My face was thirsty. Let's let that soak in a little bit. Ooh, she ready. Okay, y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, y'all gotta be careful with this La Peach. She be coming for your rent and your, ooh, as Jackie say, your edges. I don't know what that means really, but the peach is coming for it. Ooh, yes. Ooh. 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 I'm sorry. I know I got a lot going on over here, but just don't know what the peach does to me. You make me feel like a natural woman.
Using BFF3 for my liner, which is next to K from Carucci's ColourPop collection, my all-time favorite lip liner for nude.
I don't have that. I have my MAC Chestnut lip liners. It looked kind of like a dark liner like hers. Man, what's all this crustation going on?
And then I'm gonna take the Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Strip, which is a nice kind of peachy nude.
So I am going to use my Mama Star by Patrick Star. How do they do this? I don't know. Anyways, my Mama Star by Patrick Star lip stick, and then I'm gonna go over it with this ColourPop Hello Kitty Ultra Glossy Lip. I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit with this CoverGirl Katy Cat Pearl in the color Apricot. And just, ooh. Oh. Oh, I'm feeling some type of way right now. Oh. It is ultra glossy. I tried to line my lips like Jackie, but I don't have Jackie lips. I'm feeling myself. Girl, he is cute. So Jackie always uses Better Than Sex. Ooh, I said that out loud. I usually don't like saying that. Oh, it must be because I'm on camera. I get a little bit more mojo or whatever. Let's put some Better Than Sex on. Oh, I said it again. That's the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that I nailed it and not failed it. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you think I nailed this look or if I failed this look. I'm looking forward to hearing what you have to say. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do need some more subscribers. As you can see, I only have like 10 or whatever. I started all over, so you know, that's what happens when you start all over. But anyways, so go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and let me know in the comments as well. If you have any constructive criticism, go ahead and let me know in the comments as well. But I do appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.
And that
is a wrap.
Hey.
Hey.